Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel Tintle and I am the owner and designer behind the Creative Siren. So this week we are just doing a quick little recap on a little bit of what we covered last week. So last week we did the Polymer Clay ice cream pens, and within that tutorial I did a smaller tutorial on how to make faux sprinkles. Please don't eat these. I know they look delicious, but they're made of polymer clay. These are so versatile for any project that you have that just needs a little bit of extra flourish or embellishment on top. So I thought that I would condense that tutorial into this one, just, for a quick reference for all of you. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. First thing that you're going to need is an extruder tool and the different colors of clay that you're going to want to turn into sprinkles, as well as whatever extruder disc that you like, so preferably the size in diameter that you want your sprinkles. So just quickly roll out your piece of clay, stick it in your extruder. Don't be like me and don't forget your disc, because then you'll just have to take that lid right back off again. Make sure that that's all screwed in nice and tight, and then just start extruding the long colors of clay that you'd like. Now I really wanted more of a rainbow sprinkle, so that's what I've got going on here, and then some white to break it up a little bit. Now the easiest way to bake these is going to be to put them on a baking sheet, which I would probably line with parchment paper, and be sure that you separate them, because if you leave them all clumped together, they will bake and cure that way, and then you won't be able to get really nice sprinkles out of it. Once you're all done extruding all of your colors, go ahead and pop them in the oven following the directions on the back of your packaging, and then wait until they're completely cooled before moving forward. When your clay ropes are completely cooled, now all you have to do is just chop them up. I would suggest that you just lay them in small piles before you start chopping them, because if you have too many, it kind of gets a little bit difficult. And it makes it a lot easier if you do have one of these clay blades, and I will link that in the description below. And I would definitely suggest that you do this on a piece of printer paper or something underneath, because then it makes it a lot easier to pick up all of these little sprinkles. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done chopping them up, throw them in a bowl, give them a quick little mixy mix, and that's it. They're super easy. They're versatile for any tumbler, any polymer clay project, and they'll last you forever. And honestly, you'll make 5 times the amount that you could probably buy for less than half the price. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial, and I'll catch you on the next one. If you loved this video, be sure to click here to see our last video. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. See you later. Bye!